First, drag a classic table from the library's pane. We can see that the table has 3 rows and 3 columns. After selecting the table, gray bars appear on the left and upper sides. Clicking on the bar can select a row or column. Click on the bar in the upper left corner to select all cells. Click on the bar in the first row to select the first row, and then we will add a background color to the table headers. Drag the edge of a cell to adjust the size of a row or column. To insert or delete a column or row, right-click on cells and select an option from the pop-up menu. We add a new column and row to it. Click on a cell to enter text. Select a cell to add interaction to it. You cannot directly interact with multiple cells. You can only interact with one cell. I will add a click interaction to this cell to reload the current page. Right-click on the cell and select Delete Column. Right-click on the cell and select Delete Row. Axure RP 10 currently does not support direct cell merging. However, you can simulate merging cells by covering it with a rectangle.